Did you know you could take $25 and coupon over $125 worth of products at CVS? Bougie Besties. Hey, my baby. I'm in the store right now, and I'm about to show you step by step what to do. If you want to learn, keep on watching. Before we get into the deal, go ahead and follow me to join my Bougie Bestie community. Like, save, and repost this video, and drop a heart in the comment section. Thank you. I'm going to start by grabbing 2 bottles of Nivea body wash. They're $5.99 a piece. Buy 2, you're going to earn back $7 in extra care bucks. I'm going to be using this 3 off of 10 CRT. This is given to select accounts, so not everyone's going to have it. It's given based on your spending and purchasing habits. Copper Tone's on promotion. When you buy any one, you're going to earn $5 in extra care bucks. We're going to grab one of these lip balms priced at $5.99. I don't have any coupons or CRTs for this item. My babies, this is all we should have. We're going to go check out and pay only $14.97 plus taxes. $14.97 plus taxes. Okay, besties, we got our $12 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this to help us pay for transaction number 2. Next deal we're going to do is this spend 30, earn $10 in extra care bucks. Start by grabbing 2 of these packs of Viva paper towels priced at $9.99. This 5 off 2 CRT. Not everyone's going to have this, so I will show you some other deals. This isn't tagged in my store, but you're going to grab one of these 2 count of the Febreze plug-in refill at $9.99. You're going to clip this 3 off of 1 coupon. Okay, my babies, this is all that should be in your cart. Now, my store does follow the 98% rule, which means if you meet your threshold at 98%, you can still earn your extra care bucks. So our subtotal is $29.97, but we have $8 in coupons and $12 in extra care bucks from the previous transaction, which leaves us to pay just $9.97 plus taxes. Let's go check out. Okay, besties, here's another option. 1 bottle of Gain Fireworks priced at $9.99, and clip this $2 off coupon. Liquid Gain Laundry Detergent priced at $9.99 as well. Clip this $2 off coupon. 2 count of the Febreze oil refills priced at $9.99. Clip this $3 off coupon. This deal also follows the 98% rule. Total will be $29.97, but we have $6 in coupons, and you would use the $12 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction to pay just $11.97 plus taxes. $9.97 plus taxes. These will earn $10 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use that on transaction number 3. I have 2 of the 25 count of Neutrogena makeup remover wipes priced at $6.99. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $6 in extra care bucks. This 4 off 2 manufacturer coupon, and this 2 off of 8 CRT. And then we're going to pick up 1 item priced at $1.99. I'm going to get these fruit snacks, honey. If you get these fruit snacks like me, please make sure you scan your receipt into Fetch. It is a rebate app. If you don't have Fetch, go ahead and download it now and use this referral code at sign up so you can earn a free $3 when you scan in this first receipt. This is all that should be in your cart. Now our total is going to be $15.97, $6 in coupons, and $10 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, which leaves you to pay $0 and 0 cents. Period. Now let's go check out.
Touch the continue button.
You see it. $0 and 0 cents. Okay, besties, we've earned our $6 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on our next transaction. Hey, now I know y'all tired of toothpaste, so you don't have to get toothpaste, but we are going to get some Crest or Oral-B products for this next transaction. Do the products that are priced at $3.99 this week, and on the buy 3, earn $5 in extra care bucks promotion. I'm going to get 3 toothbrushes, but you could also get mouthwash or some toothpaste. The choice is yours, honey. Clip this 5 off 3 coupon. Okay, my babies, this is all that should be in your cart. Now we're going to take this and we're going to use our $5 manufacturer coupon and the $6 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction and pay just 97 cents plus taxes out of pocket. Okay, my babies, we earned our $5 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on our next transaction. Besties, we're going to grab 2 of these Gillette foaming shaving creams. They're $3.49. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $4 in extra care bucks. Besties, this is all that should be in your cart. I don't have any coupons or CRT for buy 1, get 1 50% off savings. The total is $5.23. We're going to roll our $5 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, which leaves you to pay just 23 cents plus taxes. Period. Now let's go check out. 23 cents plus taxes. Besties, we earned $4 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on our final transaction, I think.
Thank you for shopping.
Okay, besties, for this transaction, we're going to pick up 2 boxes of General Mills snack bars at $1.99 this week. You're going to be needing the Ibotta app. If you don't know what that is, it is simply a rebate app that we use to maximize our doggone savings. Go ahead and download it now and use this referral code at sign up for a free $5 when you scan in this first receipt. Next, you're going to need the Fetch app. Go ahead and download it now and use this referral code at sign up for a free $2 or $3 when you scan in this first receipt. On Ibotta, make sure you clip this 50-cent rebate. Fetch, you don't have to clip any rebates. The app is going to find it for you once you scan in your receipt. Babies, this is all that should be in your cart. Okay, our total is $3.98, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. Roll the $4 in extra care bucks that we earned from our previous transaction, which leaves you to pay $0 and 0 cents. Period. Now let's go check out. You see it. Besties, this is your reminder to scan your doggone receipts into Ibotta and Fetch. Okay, my babies, before you put your Crocs in sports mode to go score these deals, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to come back and let me know if you score or not. Okay, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.